Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bilal bin Faiz. Al-Qur'an Malay. As-salatu ala nabi wassalamu ala rasul wal anbiya il mursalin kulluhum mukramun. Blessings be upon Nabi, peace be upon the messengers and the prophets who was, and all of them were honored. Adam, Idris, Nuh, Salih, Ibrahim, Lut, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Ayyub, Shuaib, Musa, Harun, Zulkifli, Dawud, Sulaiman, Ilyas, Al-Yasa, Yunus, Zakaria, Yahya, Isa, والآخر ختم الأنبياء محمد المصطفى. جزاك الله خيرا.